Like, all right, today, guys, we're going to be installing these Tusk radius rods on this 1000cc RZR.
That's a great intro, Ira. Thanks for doing it for us.
Okay, everyone.
All right, we're out here at the shop. We got some problems with the RZR.
Actually, we broke something.
We broke something.
Yeah, we let Biden
Check it out.
borrow it.
Broke the radius rod end.
It just happened. We don't know how it happened, but
Don't
it
know
happened.
how. May or may not been because of donuts in the snow in the middle of but it broke before. Yeah.
Might have been.
Might have been. So anyway, we got some Tusk ones here. The high clearance. Installing those on the RZR. The RZR's a 1000 XP. And
Install should be the same for any of the RZRs, Turbo XP.
yeah.
You know.
I said muy fácil. Muy fácil.
Exactly.
And these were that purchased off of Rocky Mountain ATV, which they have a good install video. If you need more instructions than what we provide, go check it out there. But this is going to be a non-paid review of this, so let's get at it. Passing the camera over to whoever takes it.
I'll take it.
Okay.
So we already have one installed. Travis Arnold will install the next.
Yeah, so with taking off the factory ones, it doesn't matter which side you take off first. Just get it jacked up and on some jack stands.
Sketchy jack stands.
Jack stands.
You know.
Harbor Freight's finest.
Just
And,
don't get underneath.
yeah, you'll be fine. So first thing we have to do is cut about 1/2 inch out of the bottom right here, where it's straight, because this angles in a little bit off the trailing arm. So we're just going to cut a straight line off of that so that you've got good movement out of the radius rod.
So Harbor Freight, if you want to sponsor,
Yeah.
we got all the good tools.
We use nothing but Harbor Freight tools.
You get you one of these fancy cushions, you work twice as hard.
Put that on the list of things you need.
Yeah.
Things you'll need for this install. I think I'm gonna back up a little bit. I'll probably put the camera in there close and
It smells like burnt hair. Oh yeah, look at my disc is busted.
oh shit. Oh. No.
Told you.
You get some action from back here. Screw that. Y'all don't walk over there where he's at, because it's just gonna explode.
Alright.
Heck no, I wouldn't have used that disc.
Harbor Freight's finest disc.
Nice.
Alright, now we gotta grind this little thing smooth. Nice.
Somebody's gonna comment, y'all's install video sucks.
This is gonna be the quickest install video they ever watch. Alright.
So,
Actually, we're gonna let that cool off for a minute
but
so we don't burn ourselves. So
do you want to talk about your O-rings, where they go and stuff?
yeah, so before we install that, you're gonna take your two shortest,
Yeah, good.
install them without the O-ring. Okay. And then you're gonna make sure that they fit, because they kind of vary from model to model whenever they're built. But you're cutting my whole face off.
No, they're in there.
Okay.
See, I can see all kinds of shit.
Okay. And so you're gonna test fit it without the O-rings in. If it's too tight, then you'll just take a file it on the RZR, on that aluminum part. Then you're gonna install the little O-ring there. It just presses in, reinstall.
Yeah. It helps if you have two people.
Helps if you have two people.
Tell them you want to slide the end up into your.
There's a washer right there.
So you want to slide this end up into your slot.
Yep.
And then
Do a little lifting and oh goodness, I slid it too far up in the slot.
it'll work.
All right, get that
Oh shit!
in there.
Are you gonna be able to miss that?
Yeah, and then this,
All right.
we'll just do that number. And let me get my spacers. So we have the longer piece and then the short one. We're doing the longer on the inside of the frame and the shorter on the outside because you'll see clearance is pretty tight over here. Gonna let Ira put the nut on there because, well, he's the one that's been doing it.
You kind of gotta get both hands in here and just find the end of your bolt.
Yeah, for some reason we thought, okay, the first time we do this, we're just gonna not record, and that ended up being the easier side, which was passenger side.
I can't find the nut.
Golly, can't find his nuts. It is cold out here, and we did just eat, you know, some ribs and corn and boudin. Laying it down on the grill, laying frames on the asphalt.
What if we just started a meat cooking video? Didn't even finish this one. All right, to make ribs, first you must season up the ribs. It's a 30-minute job that turns into 3 hours
Right, right.
for no reason.
But as you can see,
It's very, very tight.
it's very tight, and then these upper rods are just the flimsiest things compared to these right here, these Tusk High Clearance. But yeah, factory ones took a beating on some rocks, took all the powder coat off of them, and stretched the life out of those. Warped.
Here you go, Travis. It's
Oh
your
boy.
turn. Your turn.
Here we go.
All right.
And this is all going to be 15 millimeter, which you'll know if you've made it this far in.
This video is going to be cut way down.
Yeah.
Now you can go up on it. All right. It's going nowhere.
Nowhere. All right. That's tight.
All right. Let's step back. Take a look at them. We're about to drop the razor back down.
About to get her down.
High Clearance arms look great. If you want to pull those jack stands, we're going to drop it down as fast as possible. Whoa.
Look at all that clearance. Clearance.
High Clearance arms, just like that. Check it out. Tusk. Overall,
Say we got us a rig, and that'll be very nice because I'm known to like to try a few lines that no one else takes and get high centered on some trees and rocks, and hopefully that will save the day and won't leave me stranded like the factory stuff did. So
yeah.
Gonna give this a 10. I'm happy with it. Quick, easy install. Catch you on the next one. Peace.
Perfect.